Welcome to the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. In this episode, we will discuss how to set up your mobile app from your merchant website. The options you see in this video are included with a custom mobile app setup. If you see an option that is not showing on your merchant site, you may contact our support team to request pricing information and to sign up for that feature. First, you'll need to log into RepeatRewards.com using your username and password. From here, you're going to click on Marketing, Mobile App, and then you'll see here that you have a variety of different options. To begin with, the overview shows you how many app downloads you have and the activity on your app recently. This information is specified by device, so you'll see iPhone and Android separately and then a total number. Our first feature we're going to go through is automated push notifications. For this, you're going to select the option from the area on the left and then turn on any automated push notification you wish, choosing from a personalized member notification such as happy birthday or thanks for visiting, reward and offer notifications, as well as reward and reminder notifications when offers are going to be expiring soon. To turn this on, you flip the status to on for any notification you want, type in a message, or use the default message. Choose if the notification should play a sound on your member's phone, then click Update at the bottom of the page to save your changes. The next option we'll go through is manual push notifications. You can use this feature when you want to send an on-demand notification to your members right away or on a scheduled time and day. Click the option from the left to start the setup. If you choose to send to selected members, the next screen will allow you to select the criteria, such as all females for a ladies' night promotion. Click Save Search Criteria, then on the next page you may type in your message. For this training video, we're going to send a push notification to all members. So from here we're going to, we can see how many devices that are available to send to. We can populate our message. We can choose to play a sound on the member's phone, and we can choose when we'd like it to send, either as soon as possible or at a certain day or time. And with Android, an image can be uploaded in order to send the push notification with a specific image, like for a new product or event you have going on. And then to save changes, you'll click Send Push Notification. The push notification has now been saved and will send out within the next half hour. The next option we'll discuss is Geofencing Alerts. Geofencing Alerts use GPS coordinates to know when your members or customers are close to your business and can automatically send notifications to their phones enticing them to come visit. You can set up a different message for loyalty members or non-loyalty members. To set up the loyalty alert, select Yes, then choose the message type. You can select custom text and show points away from reward, custom text as well as showing rewards available, or just an alert showing points away or rewards available. Next, you can type in a custom message. Then you can add an image to show on Android devices by selecting Use Image or Choose File at the bottom to select an image from your computer to upload. Save changes at the bottom using the Save Loyalty Members default options or Save Non-Loyalty default options if you're setting up a geofence for non-members. The next section we'll go through is how to set up products and menu items. Choose the option on the left, then start by adding a group. This would be something like appetizers. Next, you can add as many items to that group as you wish. You can also choose to upload images for each item or group and add descriptions and change the order of the items within your group. This would be where you put in different items that fall under that certain category. You can also choose to have us link this button on your mobile app to a URL where you already have your menu or listing of products. So for that, you'll want to contact our customer support team. The next option we'll go through is how to set up events. So choose Events on the left-hand side, then select a date for your upcoming event. You can add an event title and a description for your event. And then you'll click Add Event to save. These events will show under the calendar on your mobile app. Continue adding events in this way until your event calendar is complete. We also recommend sending manual push notifications for any event that you schedule to get the word out. The next area in this section, we'll set up different specials to show on your mobile app. Begin by selecting Specials on the left and then Add New Special to get started. From here, you'll enter the start date and end date for your particular special. The special will show up on the app once the start date has begun. You'll enter a short title or description, and if you'd like the special to show as coming soon, you'll select Yes from the drop-down if it has yet to become, or if you select No, if that special has not yet begun, it will not show up on the app yet. You'll enter in a description and any disclaimers that you have and click Update to save. The next item we'll go through is setting up the About Us or Loyalty Info sections of your mobile app. You'll see that our support team has already pre-populated some information that we found about your business in these areas, but you can feel free to change it at any time. To do so, you just type in your content and click Update. The Loyalty Info area works the same way, where we have pre-populated some information about your loyalty program regarding your different offers and specials available to members. You can choose to change these or rephrase in any way and click Update to save. The last item we'll discuss is launch advertising. You have the ability to set up for advertisements that randomly cycle through to appear on your member's phone when they first open your mobile app. To set up an advertisement, choose the option from the left-hand side and then choose Yes by Use this advertisement to activate. Then you'll want to select if members can see it yet or not. If you're setting it up before you're ready to show it, you would choose No. If you're ready for it to be shown, you can choose Yes. And then you'll want to click Choose File and find an image on your computer that you'd like to show as the ad. And you'll see some different criteria for the size and format of that image on the screen here. And then you'll click Save Advertisement to finish the setup. You can also select the drop-down here and then choose a different image to upload another one, since you can have up to 4 different images to display. You'll go through the same process of choosing your file and saving the advertisement for each. Thank you for watching this episode of the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. If you have any questions, you may contact our support team via phone or email at 866-268-4958 or merchant services at repeatrewards.com.